I left home with a dirty hockey bag full of everything I had in it, with a little bit of personality, a little bit of ambition. And you know what? Success was not supposed to look like this. Not everything's canned in the version that we're used to. And we all know what that is. One of the things that I would have said to my younger self back then was, stop getting all worked up, because that absolutely does zero. Because I spent half the time frustrated. At the end of the day, it only hurt me. It took me a day to get over that, and now I am calm. There's no white collar, blue collar, one person has more education, this person's more important. It's simple. My mission is for there to be equality. Nova Scotia is my home. That's what makes it so special. Yes, I have offices in Ontario. Yes, I have offices in the United States. But at the end of the day, every great heart always needs to come home. Little boys, little girls, and how anybody identifies today in our world is that they can look at my mug up on that wall and they're gonna see that my story is like no other. Just like their story is like no other. And if I can be up there, they can be up there.